So you have heard about Reactive-JSON and you want to integrate it into your React project? Let me show you how. To start, you need a working React project. Well, that's kinda obvious. Next, I recommend adding the Reactive-JSON documentation to your workspace. It's not mandatory, but it really helps guide your LLM assistant to work properly with Reactive-JSON concept. To do that, just download the zip archive or clone these two repositories. Then, reference them by adding them directly into your workspace. Of course, if you're using another IDE, just adapt these steps according to how yours works. Once that's done, open your terminal and run the npm install command I'm showing here, or check the description below. Now you can start integrating. Place the ReactiveJsonRoot component wherever you want in your app. This ReactiveJsonRoot component is the entry point for all Reactive-JSON features. To work properly, it needs you to pass in the rjBuild of whatever you want it to display. The rjBuild is what we call the content that Reactive-JSON uses to generate your app. You have two ways to provide this rjBuild. You can pass a JavaScript object directly through the maybeRawAppRjBuild prop, or you can point it to a URL where it can fetch your rjBuild. In that case, it can be either in YAML or JSON format, both work perfectly. Whichever method you choose, the result is the same, so go with whatever fits your setup best. When you fetch your rjBuild from the network, you can specify custom HTTP headers using the headers for rjBuild prop. That can be useful, for example, to include an auth token or any of the headers your server expects. And if you want to use something other than the default HTTP GET method, you can define it with rjBuild fetch method. With this video, you now know how to integrate Reactive-JSON into an existing React project. If you want to know how to extend Reactive-JSON with its plugin system, check the link in the description or ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching! If you like this library, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. Bye!